Okay, things you're gonna need here. We're obviously doing the big X wheel upgrade here. Some things that YouTube doesn't mention is you're gonna need spline sockets. Mine anyway. The bolts that are holding the housing on there are spline sockets. The exact size is a 5/16. I have everything all removed, ready to go. The actuator is already loose. The band clamp's already taken off of the Y pipe, and we're ready to go. So we'll run this by again. Impact wrench, corded or air, doesn't matter. That is to remove the compressor wheel. You're gonna obviously need the wheel. This is a 5 top, 5 lower X wheel. You're gonna need a spline socket set, preferably one with a 5/16 if that's what requires to remove the bolt right there. There's 4 of them. They are spline bolts. And obviously a good size wrench. It's the bottom bolt down there, right past the doghouse. This might be a good time if you want to reverse your doghouse, reroute it if that's something you prefer. I've just left mine this way, rerouted it, works just fine. But this bottom bolt that holds the housing on, you're gonna need a swivel. So go ahead and have these tools ready. You can get them at your local parts store. I bought the spline set. It was like $7.99. And I had the rest of the tools. This is my compact wrench. Should do the job, I'm hoping so. But I'll give you an update. This is part 1 of the video of what you need. And I'll go ahead and show you when the housing is off and how we're going to remove it. Thanks.